These ginger cough drops truly saved my throat. They are made with just 3 simple ingredients: honey, fresh ginger, and cinnamon. No artificial colors, no preservatives. Just pure natural support during cold season. Start by grating fresh ginger. It will known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger warms the body and improves circulation. It will help you with your cough and support immunity. Grate it finely so you can easily squeeze it later. Meanwhile, in a small pot, add honey. It will soothe the sore throat and irritation. It will known for its natural antibacterial properties. Also, it helps suppress cough and protect the throat. Squeeze fresh ginger into it. Together, it will be a powerful boost for your immunity. Next comes cinnamon. It has antibacterial and antiviral effect. Helps fight infections and add natural sweetness and aroma into the mixture. These cough drops will taste like candies. Make them once and you will always want to keep a jar nearby. Heat the mixture and bring it to boil. Watch it carefully. It will take 30 minutes. You need to shiver it until the honey thickness and turns into light caramel. By the way, let us know in the comments how you help your body to stay healthy in the cold seasons. When the mixture is ready, remove it from the heat and let cool for 5 minutes. It should be thick, viscous, and gooey. Then we use spoon and parchment paper. You can use silicone mold instead. Form small drops with teaspoon. Then let the cough drops fully cool and harden. This is an old-style natural remedy, you can easily make it home. It warms the body from the inside and perfect for throat relief, dry cough, cold season support, and natural immunity boost. Be careful and keep them away from the moisture. If storing, lightly dust with cornstarch so they don't stick together. It's better to store in an airtight container.
Spoonful of sugar and my coffee turns to candy. My brain toffee when the rush begins to rush.
And it's ready! Enjoy them and be healthy! Bon appetit! Simple, powerful, and effective cough drops. Even more healthy recipes you can find on Idea Buffet.